Welcome to Craftify AI tutorials. This time I'm going to show you through how to create a lead form. So an easy way for those of you who don't code, a no code way to add a form into your website so you can start gathering customers. So first of all, just to show you some of the settings, you can choose a color really simply for all of the details here, or you can add your hex code for the specific color for your branding, RGB. You have a lot of options for finding the color that you might want. You can choose to change the opacity as well. And here below, we just have some generic, beautiful colors that you can choose from for the colors to add to your lead form. Now, you can then choose your font family. We have all of the Google fonts available to you, so pick and choose whichever one works for your branding. You can find a bunch of them. You can also, if you don't have a specific type font that you're working with, you can play around to find one that you like. Now we'll go on to lead type or contact type. You can choose lead, customer, or other. And here we can change the border radius. You can see how as we move that along to the right, it makes it more rounded or more squared. Other settings are you can show the phone number if you'd like to also collect phone number. You can bold the labels here, or you can choose to show the form title. You can see that when that's unclicked, you don't see the contact us. Um, and when it's when you have it clicked, you can see contact us. If not, so here are these instructions. So how do you put this into your website? It's pretty easy. You just click the copy code section. All of the HTML will be copied to that. And then wherever it is in your website settings, whether you're working with WordPress or Squarespace or whatever you're working with, you will choose the HTML code section. You can add that into your website. And once you hit save, you should be able to see this exactly as you see it here on the right-hand side. So that's all for now. If you have questions, leave them in the comments.